So this morning I actually woke up to only one poo, not on the litter pans. These are brand new. I have put off litter pans with grates for so long because I was really worried about the scrubbing the poo off the grates process. And that has still yet to be seen if I like that part or not. But day one use, I really like them. I do wish they had sides because oftentimes they're standing on these litter pans but hanging their hiney off, so the pee or poo is still on the floor, but they're trying. My next thought is maybe, I might put them inside of a paper box that their dog food comes in. So when you order your Munster food, if you're doing the litter box thing, you could keep those. I think maybe they'll be big enough. I have a couple boxes outside. We'll have to see. I would cut the front totally off and leave the sides and back. I don't know how frequently those would need to be changed out, or if there's another option for sides. But I do have, I use linoleum from Ollie's on my floor because that's easy to chuck out. Because after litter, it gets stinky. They absorb some smell. So we frequently buy that, but you won't have to frequently buy it because one would last you the entire potty training process and playpen process. But I use on the playpens, I use a pee pad at the bottom sprinkled with pellets. I think I forgot to spray this one on the right. Not spray, put the pellets in. But it'll be all right. There's still a little poo on the grates and pee smell because I only rinse them, because pee and poop is actually what draws them to the area to poo, so that is kind of like an attractant for them. So this is the size of playpen that we use because we have 10 puppies, right? So when you do your playpen at home, I would say start with 4 panels. You can see I have them attached with zip ties on the edge of the crate. That way the crate isn't taking up massive amounts of space in the playpen. So 4 panels, 1 on each side and 2 in the front, or however you want to work it. You could even do 3 panels. That gives them enough room for their crate, for a bowl of water, some toys. If you're using a litter pan, great. If not, that's fine too. Just gives them a little bit of room, and then you slowly grow it, very, very, very slowly. So if they're messing, then making potty mistakes in their playpen, then you go smaller. That's how you do that, because they need to recognize that their playpen area is their space, and puppies like to keep their space clean. So eventually they need to know that your whole house is their space. So if they start messing, that's where you know to go smaller. There is actually no pee spray and pee attractant spray, so that you can spray in specific areas where they're messing to say, you're not supposed to pee there. And if they end up piddling in their crate, I would say get rid of any blankets or bedding inside their crate, because the blankets soak it up and that makes it easier for them to lay down in it. So if you take the blankets out, they will have to lay in their pee, and they do not like that. So they will quickly learn not to pee in their crates. And they often do just prefer to sleep on the hard floor. Oh, cold floors are tend to be their favorite.